So I'm just going to plait my hair. I'm not going to add any extensions to it. Like this. Okay. And I'm going to take my crochet hook, and I'm basically going to go in between my braid with the latch hook, and I'm going to pull it through just to kind of shorten it like that. That's all. Then I'm going to take my 4 pieces, okay, and I'm going to latch it through the base. You want to pull one side through like this. Okay. I think we got something uneven here. All right, like so. So then I'm going to take my 2 water wave strands, keeping them long. Okay, I'm going to pull it through as well. So I usually like to, whatever way I went with the short hair that I cut, I go a different way with the longer water wave hair. But it doesn't matter. For some reason, I just like to do it that way. So basically what I'm going to do is pull it through. Don't have it even. Just have it pretty much the same length as the hair that you have. The shorter hair that you cut. So here's this hair. And so pretty much with that. So the next thing you're going to do is hold all this hair. And make sure that you're holding this as well. So I usually like to tuck it in between all that hair. Grab your hair and start wrapping. So I usually do like 3 times at the root. And then I just start wrapping down. So basically like I'm wrapping it, but I'm not really gripping it too tight. I'm just kind of just throwing it over the hair. So when you get to your hair, I do grab it a little tighter and make sure I wrap it that way to make sure that piece is covered. So basically all you're doing now is just swinging it over. Don't have too much tension. And then you want to get it to where you probably want it to be. So I basically just kind of fold it. Okay. I'll take it and fold it up. And I just wrap it. It's hard to explain, but I just take it and just hold it as tight as I can and just wrap that hair back up. And then I have a little bit left, and I'm just going to take it and tie it in a knot. Now, I know some girls have done nail glue and things like that. I just like it this way. You can take it and whatever strings that you have, just cut that off like that. And see, you have more of a messy curl or whatever. See? All right. And that's it. So here, whatever you want to use to lay your hair down. Plait it up. And before y'all do any protective style, I always tell my clients to do some type of treatment at home or go to your licensed beautician, allow them to do a treatment on your head before and after any type of protective hairstyle, just to kind of keep your hair strong. Let's see. So I'm going to use some of the pieces that I've already taken out. They're already cut. So that's 1, 2. This is 3, 4. I'm not too worried about it being uneven that much. It don't have to be perfect or anything like that. I don't care about it being that uneven. Here's that. Okay, so I'm gonna take my 2 pieces of water wave. Okay. Latch it. Pull one side through. Hold on to the other. There we go. And the reason why I'm reusing this hair is only because I ran out of the longer hair, and I'm fine with it being kind of that distressed, messy look. It doesn't bother me. So, okay. So I'm gonna find my 2 longest pieces. So here's my longer piece. I'm gonna pull it through, get it sort of kind of even with the rest of the hair. Make sure you got your hair as well, kind of in between all the other hair, and then get the wrapping. So like I said, I do 3, so I wrap around the root about 3 times. Don't be too tight, y'all. Okay, so I didn't wrap it all the way down. So what you want to do is take the hair that you've done and measure it. So I think I'm going to come up now. So I'm just going to take this hair and fold it up like this. So I'm just going to wrap it around my finger. It's hard for me to really explain to y'all how I'm just getting it around. Just get it around, get it up there. And it's going to stay. So I'm taking some hair that was actually hanging with the hair that I was wrapping, and I just wrapped it up with that. Just grab it, y'all. Just grab it. And pull it through. If you can wrap it again. Or just grab it and tie it in a knot. Like this way. You know what I mean? Like, just grabbing the hair and then tie it in a knot that way. So then anything that's probably left. Second. Let me get this. So that I'm cutting. So there we go with our two. Okay. Y'all know how this works now. Also, if you're doing this, make sure that you moisturize your hair before you do this. Okay, keep your hair, keep that elasticity to your hair, you know, where it, you know, you don't want to wash your hair and don't add nothing to it and stuff. Do a nice leave-in conditioner or a spray, something like that. Just, you know, and then some type of cream, whatever y'all like to use, whatever your preference is. Just make sure that you do that. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna pull this through. Sorry, guys. Wrong thing. So this time I'm only using 3 of the shorter strands because I am actually out of this as well. But I don't think it's gonna make much of a big difference, but it'll be all right. Let's see, that came out. So let me pull it back through again. Make sure all the hair is up in there and get the twisting. And that's it. I am going to go through and do some more, but this is what it looked like. See, there's a few pieces, but I like those, so. Yeah, this would have to be redone again, but.